Hello everybody, it's Jean Shine with Shine Team Realtors, exploring the community again. Oh, I have found a little taste of the city, a little taste of Austin right here in Central Texas. And I want to introduce you to Joseph Taylor. And what a really special thing about this is he's local. Graduate of Killeen High School 2014,
yes,
was it? 2014. And he is an entrepreneur, started this business and another beauty shop next door. So Joseph, tell me about your wonderful shop here. I just love it.
Thank you so much. So Cup of Joe is just really an inspiration idea. I know Texas, we have a lot of chains. We don't have a lot of small business coffee shops, and I love those. When we go to Colorado, and I'm from up north Minnesota area, we have mom and pop everything. And so having something down here like that was just my goal, my inspiration. You know, Austin incorporates a lot of their city elements, their street vibes into their coffee shops and businesses, and so that's what we wanted to do at Cup of Joe. So everything about it is tailored for our community and just to create a place where people can come, chill, and just enjoy Texas.
Absolutely, and my coffee is 254, our area code. So when a little Texas local is absolutely correct.
Yes, people love the 254. It's actually been our most popular.
Well, I absolutely love the location because it's very central. It's real close to Harker Heights, HEB, on Indian Trail, and the little shopping center right behind it. And you know, you can get from this location to Belton in about 7 minutes. You can get to Copper's Cove in about less than 15. You can get to Fort Hood in 7, 8 minutes, depending on where you're going. So you're just right in the middle of heaven, right here. You can grab a cup. They also have, what do you have on the weekends?
So on Friday through Sunday, I'm a big Round Rock Donuts fan. I'm in love. So we carry Round Rock Donuts cinnamon rolls, kolaches, and we have all the different donuts, even the big Texas size donuts on the weekends. It's fun.
I can't wait to come back. Bill Shine will be in heaven. Well, everyone, we want you to make sure you come over and tell them once again the name, the address, and phone number.
Cup of Joe Coffee Shop. We're located at 600 Indian Trail, right across from the HEB in Harker Heights, Texas. Our telephone number is 254-630-1900, and you can find out more information at www.cupofjoecoffeeshop.com.
And absolutely try the 254. You're going to love it. I've got a little drizzle of caramel on my coffee. So y'all have a wonderful week and enjoy Central Texas. Talk to you soon. So in closing from the Cup of Joe, I just want to remind y'all, if you saw my last video from Juicy Joy, Lenny was the one that told us about that. Well, Lenny's the one that told us about this one too. So now she is my go-to person on the newest and bestest restaurants and coffee shops in Harker Heights and Central Texas. So we just want to say thank you for joining us with the Shine Team video blog. And don't forget, it is in the middle of the winter. It's time to get our houses listed for all the buyers that are coming in. So if you're interested in selling your property, please call the Shine Team. We're glad to help you. And don't forget, Cup of Joe, come see them. Have a great day. Bye.